Welcome to Mini Miracles, Flags and Phonics. This is the part 6 video of our Asian flags and facts. Today we are going to see the next three flags, Israel, Japan and Jordan. So first we'll see the Israel flag. As you can see, there are two blue stripes on a white background with the center star. So this star represents the Star of David, and actually this is the shawl design, okay, of the Jewish people. So that is the representation of this two stripes, okay. So the Jewish people wear the shawl with this design, okay. So that they have it in their flags. And Israel capital is Jerusalem, and the national animal is Israeli gazelle. Okay, so how we are going to remember is, you see Israel. So for train in Tamil we say rail. So that on the railway track this Israeli gazelle is running. Okay, so like that you can remember. So Israeli gazelle, and the national bird is hoopoe. So this hoopoe is also running behind the train. Like that you can, flying behind the train. Okay, so like that you can remember the national bird. And the next flag is Japan. So Japan, there's also another way of representing this country. Some say that it is Nippon. Nippon means the land of the rising sun. Okay. So the sun is seen as a red circle here. So that is why they have kept this as a design in their flag. So Japan, and the capital is Tokyo. So how we are going to remember is, it is like a token coin. So we have to remember that it is a token, okay. So Tokyo. And then the national bird is, we don't have national animal, okay. Only there is a national bird. So the national bird is the green pheasant. So what is the speciality about this bird is, see, whenever there is an earthquake, this bird gives a different sound by which the people in that country take precautionary steps to protect themselves, okay. So that is a speciality about this green pheasant. And the last flag is Jordan. So Jordan or Jordan. So see here, there are four colors. The four colors, each color represent each dynasty, okay, which ruled this country. And you can see a star, a small star. So that is the unity of the Arabian people, okay. So this is the flag representation. And Jordan, the capital is Amman. So how we are going to remember is, so like how we decorate Amman god, okay. So like that we have decorated very nicely. So that we tell in Tamil Jora decoration, okay. Yeah? So Jor done, like whom we decorate is Amman. So that is the capital. So Jordan, Amman. And the national animal is Arabian oryx. So actually I think in part 2 or one of the of Asia flags and facts video, we have seen the Bahrain. The Bahrain also, I've told you that this triangle shape, when it comes, the animal is Arabian oryx, like this triangle shape horns, okay. So like that, here also the same animal is the national bird, Arabian oryx. So here also there is a triangle. So by seeing the triangle, we can just remember the national animal. And the national bird is Cine rose finch. So this is a very beautiful bird with a pink body, okay. So how we are going to remember is, see, this red and rose, okay. So that rose, we are going to just assume it as a red family, from a red family. So like that we are going to remember this bird, Cine rose finch. Actually it is a small star. So like for when we see a small star, a small we tell in Tamil chinna. So like that bird name is also Cine, okay, chinna. So Sinai rose finch is the national bird. So that is all about the flag and facts. So next we are going to see about activities, hands-on activities that we made to revise the flags. Okay. So home of the birds and animals. So usually the birds rest in the cage. Okay. And this is the animal cage. And I have stuck these three flags. So and also I have stuck some paper here. Okay. Inside I have kept some pictures. Okay, pictures of the national birds and animals for these flags which I have stuck. Okay, so we have to find out which one belongs to. So in cage, first the flag is Jordan. So what will be the bird? So the bird is Sinai rose finch. And then Japan. So Japan, the bird is green pheasant. And Cambodia. So this we have already seen this flag. So just for revising, I've stuck this flag. So Cambodia, it is giant ibis. So if you are learning or if you are teaching a kid to learn, it will be a very hands-on activity. The kid will enjoy it. Okay, keeping the birds near the flags. Okay, so coming to the animal cage. So it is Israel. So for Israel, it is Israeli castle. And then Bhutan, so it is Tokyo. And Bangladesh, it's Royal Bengal tiger. Okay, so like this activity is done. You can make the kids to select, and after finishing, just you can keep everything inside this cover. Okay, so this is the second one. The next one is currency quiz. So see, I have written some fill-ups. I've stuck the flag. So if Sam is in Japan, what currency he will use? So I have given the choices here. So in Japan means it is yen. So the child will write yen. So the next is the supermarket cashier of what flag? Cyprus. Cyprus accepts the currency of euro. Okay, so euro. Then Sheila goes to Armenia and exchange the currency of, it is dram. Okay, then what currency should I use if I visit Israel? So that is shekel. Then the people of Jordan uses the currency of dinar. Okay, so like that you can revise the currency of the various countries with this activity. Then the next one is our usual picture hints. So it is actually all the kids are enjoying. Okay, and they are appreciating. Okay, so this is Jor and this is the Dan symbol. Okay, so this is Jordan. So we keep the flag of Jordan here. So the next hint is so S, the sound of S is then rail. Okay, so Israel. So we keep the flag of Israel here. And the next one is J and Pan. So Japan. Okay, so Japan, we keep the flag of Japan here. Okay, so this is the picture hint. And then the last activity is guess the shadows and match. Okay, so I have taken the shadows of 5 animals and birds. So the child has to guess the real animal. Okay, so this is actually the horn is really bent. So this is Israeli gazelle. Then this is snow leopard. So then what is this? So this is Arabian oryx. And then hoopoe. And the last one is peacock. Okay, and then the child can match it to the flags. Okay, so Israeli gazelle is, so it is Israel. Then the snow leopard is Afghanistan. And then the Arabian oryx, it is Bahrain. And then hoopoe is again Israel's national bird. and then peacock is India. Okay, so just you can use some manipulatives to match if you want to reuse it again, or you can make them draw with the match with the color pencil. Okay, so that is all for the activities today. So if you have not seen the other parts, please subscribe my video, and you can check the other videos where we have already revised the Asia flags. Thank you for subscribing and watching my video. Thank you.